Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. I'm really excited about today's video because, as you guys know, I've been super into smart home things. The Dyson Formaldehyde purifier that we're looking right now is the epitome of smart. It's a Dyson bladeless fan. It's a purifier. It has new formaldehyde sensors and okay, I can't do that, but yeah, number 4, it is a smart home device. Let's move on to a more fitting part of the house for this literal big unboxing. This is the new Dyson Purifier Cool Formaldehyde, and it's also fitting because this is the space that I'm going to be putting this in after. Like I said, it's huge, and I think this is actually true to scale, so only one way to find out. That's so cute. We have this in the new copper color and the remote is also in copper. And this is where the remote goes, and it's actually magnetic, so it stays there. The box comes with 2 layers of filter, and not only are these filters replaceable, it filters out, well, most indoor air pollutants. And this time around, it's not just the filter that meets HEPA H13 standard, but the whole machine is sealed so that you don't get dirty air flying in through those filters and out certain crevices. This bladeless fan purifier combo looks good in the house. It's sleek and it looks clean. I didn't plan it, but this new copper color matched the wood accents in our house, the brass decors, and even my dog. Dyson claims this to be 20% more quiet than previous machines, and that you can hang by the fan unbothered as it's running is sort of proof of that. Higher fan settings though, it's not that quiet. You're listening to number 10 right now, but also this is proof that that bladeless fan works. Look at my hair. On the filter side of things, it's actually pretty amazing what this thing can detect. I am like here though, it detected the spray. Now what's new about this Dyson machine is that it has a new formaldehyde sensor that will never die in the lifetime of this machine. But like, what is formaldehyde and why do we care? Basically, one of the top indoor air pollutants that you get from wood, varnish, paint, wallpapers, you know, the stuff that you usually find in your house. So that, coupled with other air purifying capabilities, is a good idea in your home. The living room is where everyone hangs out, so I've been hellbent in adding air purifiers to the space. This AC has an air purifier. I had a standalone air purifier in here, but because of this Dyson air purifier, I took that out, and I love how it's a 2-in-1 device. It saves space, and it's also a fan. So really quickly, via the remote, you can just turn on your machine. From here, you can change the wind intensity, so you have this up until 10. And then from here, you can change the wind direction. Also have oscillation mode, so right now it's on steady, but you can do 45 degrees. You can do 90 degrees, and you can do 180 degrees, even a full 360. And then from here, you can check information, so that gives you all the different readings that the filter has on the teeny screen right there. It even gives you a filter level reading, and yes, these filters are replaceable. Finally, you have a button for the night mode, and my favorite mode is auto. So basically, it allows your fan to sort of detect the air quality, and when it detects that it needs to work, it'll just turn on and use settings depending on what you have in your environment. This fan is also smart, meaning it can connect to the Dyson Link App, and it can do this. Turn Dyson Pure Cool on.
Okay, turning on oscillation on the living room.
Now the app tells you so many different things. As you can see, my living room area has a fair rating when it comes to air quality. It gives you these graphs about like what your air quality is like all throughout, and you have even more detailed info on all the pollutants that the fan detects in your house. Also temperature and humidity. Of course, from the app, you can control your machine and you can even have a remote thing going on there. You even have timer settings, as you can see here, or you can also schedule when your machine turns on or off. And that was our look at the new Dyson Purifier Formaldehyde. My favorite thing about this new addition to my home, one, I love that it's sleek aesthetics and that new copper color matches the wood accents in my living room. I am all for aesthetic technology. Number two, I love that it's a 2-in-1 device, and especially at the time where I am wanting air purifiers in every section of our home, very useful. And three, it's smart. I dream of a day when I can just walk into my house and talk to every single tech in it. We'll make it happen, you guys. And yes, that concludes our video. Let me know what you guys think. All details on pricing and availability, I'll link in the description box below. If you want to see how I use tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time, I'm gonna go cool off with my new fan.